How to delete recent ad activity on Facebook. Facebook shows you a list of ads you have recently clicked, saved, or interacted with. And here is how you can delete or hide the entire activity. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the three lines in the bottom right for the iOS and for the Android on the top right. Simply tap on it and go to the menu section. Now here scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option available there. Then tap on the settings inside the settings and privacy. Now again scroll down and look for the activity log option available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the activity log, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the Your Facebook Activity option available there. Once you tap on the Your Facebook Activity, here simply tap on the Post Manage Post option available there. Once in there, you will get to see the list of ads you have interacted with. Now tap on the three dots next to it and select Hide Ad or Remove depending on what appears. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.